me if it's a little loud out here. The kids are feeding all the animals. They do this every morning. They're pretty noisy about it too. They all argue about who's going to get to do what. Anyway, so I want to go ahead and describe what's going on here. I did this up. This is the Rambo knife, and it's from the, let's see. Now I did this 2 different ways so you could unlash this. Now I wanted it like this so you could snap it back. That way it's out of the way in case you're doing a camp and you want to leave this, you know, like that, out of the way. That way you can just constantly grab your knife, put it back in there, and it's not going to fall out because it's a pretty tight sheath. Now this is saddle leather right here in the middle, thanks to Chip out there if he's listening. But he sent me some saddle leather and I've been using it for random stuff, and this is one of the best uses for it, for making the blade stops, you know, to keep them from going through and protecting the stitching. Got some saddle stitching going on here, and everything that goes with that, it keeps it from digging into, I still got a little bit of dye on my hand, keeps it from digging into the sides. But I like it like that, and then you can just draw the knife out. There's my Rambo knife. I had to re-wrap this into something else. It used to be black, and you know, when you order one of these, it's like black. I did this. I'm a goofball, you know. I like to mess around with this stuff. We're all, you know, we're all fellas that watch these crazy movies and stuff, and we want to replicate stuff that's from the movies. And it's a survival channel. I figured it would be funny, so I went ahead and went with the Rambo First Blood Part 2, and from Part 2 I made it the Part 1 by adding green. You can get the green twine from any fishing store, but you end up with the black twine. I just changed it to green. That's all I did. In here, a lot of folks are probably wondering, where's the ferro rod? You see me making a ferro rod at the beginning of the channel show. I did this number here. There's your compass, and just give it a little tug, and there is your ferro rod. I don't need the little tiny little kit that comes with it inside there, because it was only like a band-aid and a freaking needle. You could turn a needle into a compass. There's so many things I could teach folks about little items you find along the way, but it doesn't matter. I was going to take that out of there because I don't need it. Anyways, but there's that. I just made it into, it's got a little clasp here, and this is a survival cord, so it's got the fire cord inside of it. It's like fishing line, all that stuff. It comes with all that stuff in it, so I thought that'd be kind of cool for the project. And then right here I did a pace counter, and this is also a leg strap. You just undo the Ranger band right there, which is just a piece of bike tire inner tube that's cut to make that. Pull that and slide it out, and you're undone. You can tie it onto your leg if you need to, if it's starting to bounce around. Back here I did this, that way you could quickly snap it to your belt. Right here, full survival kit. And here, you guys have probably seen me build many of these, so you probably already know what's in it. A wide variety of stuff. I've got one specific video about exactly what comes in most of these kits that I build, and I could pretty much build those kits and just sell them if I wanted to, but I'm not in the business of business, you know what I mean? I'm not a businessman. I'm just a YouTuber. All right, so there we go. But I got that all set up, and now I got to put that back in there. But I think it turned out really nice. It's pretty cool. I'm making a bunch of these random things, and I'm probably going to end up giving a lot of it away. That's kind of what I do. Those of you that are on Patreon listening probably know that I'm probably going to give this one away, you know, because it's fun. I want it to go to a good home, and I think that'd be cool. All right, hope you guys stay safe and have a great day. Please share and subscribe if you're not already. God bless. Take care.